Hello and welcome back, everybody. A while ago, I came here to Dam Number 4 Cave in Maryland. That was the second cave I've ever visited, and last time I was completely unprepared. All I had was a handheld light, and yeah, if you remember or if you can guess, I didn't make it very far, but today I filmed it again backwards once again. I made it through most of the cave and saw a bunch of stuff I didn't see last time. It was an awesome spot. There was at least a couple hundred feet of passage, and yeah, you know, last time I didn't see much, but I'm joined today by buddy Adam. We got Elysia, Kieran on his first caving trip ever, and also my buddy Matt out there. If you enjoy this, please like and subscribe. If you enjoy caving or want to get involved, contact your local grotto. And also check out this dude's YouTube channel, link in the description for more awesome caving videos. Grab your headlamps and let's get in there.
Marcus, is mine on?
You got it on, bud?
Yeah. Good today, Marcus.
What's that, buddy?
Is it good today?
I'm all good. That temperature feels nice now.
Doesn't it? Maybe we should have gotten ready inside the cave. I usually like to do that if there's new people. Well, that's why there's always...
There's that little part that goes up, right? I remember that.
Another section behind
So
it.
that way if something happens, I mean, we're in a small cave. Like,
Wanna go back with me, man?
What?
Wanna check this out?
yeah, go for it.
Some cool formations and stuff.
We'll wait for you here.
Oh, that's sweet.
Come on, look out for bats.
Check out the calcite coming down.
You want to take up the rear?
You want to take it up the rear? We will go up there.
Okay.
I will go up there.
DLT. That's where it's a Adam, can we go up there? Can we go up there?
Yeah, we can go up there, but there's a crawl. If you want to check that out.
Oh, this is to the back room. Anyone want to join me?
Keep going. Keep going.
This is the part I couldn't get to last time. It's a little flooded. Whew. That is cold. Hot dang. Kieran? I thought that passage really led somewhere.
Are you recording, Marcus?
That was kind of.
Yeah. Here comes Kieran on the crawlway and Elysia.
Someone's cologne smells really nice. I don't know which one of you has cologne on, but it smells good. Now, where's it more?
Looks like it goes around this corner too. That's a squeeze. Hey Elysia, I think it keeps going. Nope, never mind. Stops there. All right, let's check out that upper room. There goes Elysia. You want a foot mount or a foot boost?
Yeah, thank you.
What a pro.
Yeah, something like that.
Kieran, you want to try come up, man?
Yeah, absolutely.
Mind swinging that rope towards me? Let's try my luck coming up.
Yes, but I got a trip from Saturday, so. Not today. Oh, I'm going past the year.
Get a grip here. Push off this foot. Right back around. All right.
If you just, yeah.
That way.
Up that way towards Elysia.
Oh, yeah, you can go up.
Yeah.
Under.
And there's where that old sketchy rope comes up.
Yeah.
Oh, you look like a mermaid.
Mermaid. So majestic.
Anybody else coming?
So we got Rusty, Kieran, and Matt.
That's our first trip.
This was like one of my first.
Was it? Actually, this was one of my first trips too.
I think this was my second. And third. And like maybe fourth.
Yeah, this is my second trip.
My first trip was like 15 years earlier.
First time I came here, I didn't even have a helmet.
Up there?
Hey, it goes down to another area.
Yeah, that's the other room.
Oh, and that connects to the main passage.
Yep.
Okay.
There's another passage.
Onward we go. I didn't realize bear cave had this much passage. Or, sorry, dam number 4 cave.
Will that work?
Yeah. Told you that.
I think I hear noise coming from right.
Do it.
Does that go anywhere?
That goes to the main passage.
Oh, okay.
This is the crawl space he was talking about.
This is called bear cave?
Which I'm not interested in.
No bueno. I'll peek my head in.
This is really cool.
That is cool.
Looks like a curtain.
What have we here? Crawl away.
Juicy.
Juicy. Hey, this actually goes a little ways.
It looks like it's opening up.
Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, it's not so bad. Not yet. I'm gonna pop my helmet off. Can't tell if it keeps going or not. Oh, that's too small. That's the size of my helmet. Never mind, I can't fit.